disassemble and reassemble a CPU.
So first, you have...
Okay. First, you have to unscrew all the screw in the
Hard disk. Hard disk.
in this hard disk. So we should have to remove the screws.
And set it aside.
Then set their
Then we have to remove the hard disk. We have to remove first this pata. Okay. And then remove the hard disk.
slowly.
But surely.
There. Then we have to unscrew the screws in the optical drive. Then we should unplug
remove
this.
first the SATA.
The SATA.
Ay po.
Then
Other one.
we will remove the optical drive from inside the
There.
Then
the power
supply. Unscrew the power supply.
And
Then remove it.
Then remove necessary things to remove. Like this.
Be careful when you are removing that thing.
Hold the Wi-Fi.
Yeah. Me.
Then this too.
There.
It's done.
It's done. Ay, and the RAM. The RAM. We should remove the RAM like this. There.
It will jump.
Get it like this.
After it jump.
Then that's it. That's how we disassemble a CPU. Now we will let you see how to reassemble. Go.
Then after you put all the screws, it's done.
It's done. Okay.